In just $9.99 you get this massager from the Ross, and it is the best everyday carry you can get, and here is why. It comes with a fixed, round head which can be used on almost every area of your body. The handle itself is very ergonomic and the divots fit right into your fingers. The whole thing itself is very lightweight and easy to carry. The body itself is completely made of plastic, and you can hear how it sounds for yourself. Despite being plastic, this is very sturdy, as I've dropped it over a dozen times and it just doesn't break. On the top, you have the power button and your micro USB port to charge it. The thing I don't like about this is how flexible the neck really is. I cannot put direct pressure on it, so what I do actually is use my fingers to pinch the head in place. This massager comes in with 2-speed vibrations, and for its size they are very strong. To turn it on, you have to long press the power button. As you can see, it fits right into my palms, and it's so lightweight that I do not actually have to grasp it completely. I can carry it with my bag, even in my pocket, and I would not feel a thing. But the main question is, does this replace your expensive Theragun or massager? And the simple answer is no. But if you're someone who's looking to buy it for yourself, or you're a restaurant physio who doesn't want a break bank, this one is for you.